Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial in DevExpress we are going to check TrackBarControl and ZoomTrackBarControl. Both of them are very similar, so I don't want to make each video for each component. Let's first move over our ZoomTrackBarControl over our form 1, and then let's go for TrackBarControl. Let's both of them resize, maybe something like this, or even bigger. And let's put to label control for first and label control for second. Now we'll name all of them. Let's first ZoomTrackBarControl. I just delete this one, I don't want this one. And even we can put a number in the end. We can put a number. And let's go the same thing for TrackBarControl. Remove the one and then put the number. And let's name these labels first. Let's say DVL Zoom track bar number. It was Zoom track bar, yeah, the name of Zoom track bar number. This was track bar number. Let's say track bar number. And let's set our text into 0, and let's put the same thing as this one, 0. And let's put here maybe, and this also here, maybe in semi-alignment. Let's first run it. Let's check it. As you see that it's quite good, to use this DevExpress components. Really, the view is amazing. So now first let's go to some options. Right click here. We have like a maximum value and minimum value. So minimum it will start from 0, and that's the maximum one to 100. And we can even set your value. For example, if I put 50, this bar will be here in the middle. Let's see that. Let's put 0 again. And let's do the same thing for this 100. And yeah, let's say for now it is something like this. Now what we want to do that whenever we change the value in our ZoomTrackBarControl, we want to other TrackBarControl also to be changed. Let's here from properties, let's go event, edit value change. Let's double click this one. Now we can do such a things. And now we say whenever we change our ZoomTrackBarControl value, and we want our TrackBarControl value also be changed the same value. So we say TrackBarControl number dot, here is the value. It is from 0 to 100, it is value. Then we say ZoomTrackBar value. We assign our ZoomTrackBarControl value to TrackBarControl value. So let's run it and see it. This out form. So if I press plus, as you see that, both of them is moving at the same time. Now it's done. See? So this is quite, as you see that, wherever I get it, I put which value, and the track bar also goes the same way. So let's set this label controls from properties. First we'll say ZoomTrack tags ZoomTrackBarControl number value, and since this is string and this is integer, we have to convert to string. This is the first value, and TrackBarControl value to string. This is the second one. Let's try it. As you see that, it's like a horse racing, you know. You see, always the same. And we can do other things, many things, but it is, for example, if I change this one, other doesn't change, because we only check like our ZoomTrackBarControl value edit change event, you know. So this is something like this. Thanks for watching. See you next video, guys.